Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you for having me in front of you. My name is Muhammad Zaidan. Today, I would like to give my own perspective to answer several questions. Okay, let me move to the first question. The first question is, do you think job satisfaction is more important than salary when choosing a job? I think salary is more important when choosing a job. Why I can state that? Because we need to fulfill our needs, such as consumption or bills. We are a human. We need a home, we need food, and we need to drink something. That's why we must become realistic rather than idealist. Okay, for the second reason is uh, a job that have a good salary can help us to build our economy, which can give us a long-term benefit. And okay, for the third reason is the job that have a good salary can motivate us. Even the job is not imperfect for us, a job that have a good salary can motivate us to do our best to clear our job. Okay, we move to the next question. Next question is, what skill do you think are needed to get a good job this day? Okay, I will mention three skills that we need for this day. Okay, for the first is communication, the third is management, the third is adaptation. Okay, why communication is needed? Because when we at the workplace, we may encounter some situation that we need to do a job with a group or do a teamwork. That's why we need to interact to someone which need a communication skill. Okay, let to the next is management. We need management both in time management or prioritizing tasks. It to focusing us using our time more effective. And the third reason is the third skill is adaptation. Why adaptation is needed? Because when we encounter some challenge, we can give a quick solution to solve the problem because we already adapt to the situation. Yeah. Uh, well, let me move to the third question. The third question is, do you think women should be able to do all the same job that men do? Okay. Uh, yeah, I think women can do the same job as a man because they are just as capable as a man. Yeah. Something that make they are different just the gender. And okay, the second reason is there are no gender restriction that limit they are. That's why a woman should be able to choosing their own job. And I think something that limited the woman to do their job as a man. I mean, do a job a similar job as a man. It because some the way of thinking that say women should be at home. Yeah. And well, let me start to the next question. The next question is, how has technology changed the way we work? Okay, the way technology changed our work for make us more do our job more easily. When we have a task which need calculation, we already can assisted by AI to make our job more efficient and effective. And uh, technology can also increase our productivity. There are so many factories that rely on machine to increase their productivity. And for the next is increase our communication, collaboration, and increase our communication. Yeah, because now we can communicate and collaborate to someone which city to the city, countries to the countries, or maybe abroad to the abroad. Okay. Uh, let us to the next question. The next question is, what is difference between white collar and blue collar jobs? Okay. Okay, in my opinion, a white collar job is a job that emphasizes management and administrative skill, while the blue collar emphasizing some technical skill and physical. And the second is the white collar usually have a fixed salary rather than blue collar that which have a vary salary. And for the third reason, and the third my own in my own perspective, sorry if it's a little bit controversial, uh, I think the blue collar, white collar need more education rather than white collar, blue collar, because the blue collar only need some technical skill that they are already experienced.